guys, it's me. My name is Terkesa Wilson, and I want to show you something that you've probably never seen before. You're looking at a balloon baby gift basket. Yes. Isn't it so adorable? Yes. And if you'd like to purchase one of these beautiful baby gift baskets, please check out my online store at www.delicacycreations.com. Or you can also make this basket. You can check out my online course called The Wow Factor. Yes, where I show you step by step how to make this baby basket. Not only that, I got so many cool projects just for you. So please make sure to check out that video. See, you guys need to understand that God blessed me with the gift of creativity. And I want to help bless you and show you what I can do so y'all can get your creative juices flowing. Do you understand? Flowing. I don't care if you're an event planner, if you're trying to start your own business with baby gifts, whatever the case may be, I got your back. So come check them videos out. Okay, now I want to show you all the items that are in this gift basket, okay? Now remember, each and every item that's in this gift basket, I'll show you how to do in these videos, okay? So, let's get it. This is your baby wipe case. This is the front. This is the back. We also have our 9-ounce wide neck baby bottle. Check that out. Look at the bling on that. Isn't that cute? Yes. All right. And I also show you how to do your baby wash set. This is the lotion. This is the baby wash. And we have our baby oil. We have our comb and brush set. And we also have our baby onesie. Now, the way I packaged this baby onesie, it has diapers inside of here. Okay, so I can form it the way I want to get this little package like this, okay? This is the back of it. Isn't that adorable? Yes. And another cool thing about this baby basket, I ain't finished. Let me tell you something. This basket also has 15 usable baby diapers. Yes, all you gotta do is cut that ribbon off and watch them diapers fall off so the parents can use them diapers. Yes, it comes with a lot. You can mix and match these items however you choose fit. Oh man, and I also have a baby pacifier that I'll show you in the next video. But yes, with that being said, y'all have a good one.